Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Ogala, board set English medium, standard 3rd, subject maths, chapter number 1, where to look from. Okay, so in this video we have to learn about mirror house figure. Okay, in mirror house figure we have to divide a figure using dotted line. Okay, and before that we have to revise our previous topic. We learn about the different view of an object, right? So let's start our previous topic and then start our new topic. Okay, so here different views of an object. Okay, so obviously we can see any object from three views. Okay, top view, side view and front view. Okay, so here I will write first number is top view. Okay, so when we see any object from the top, okay, that we call that top view. For example, if you see any object from the terrace, okay, so that we call that top view. Okay, now second number is side view. Second number is side view. Okay, so when you see any object from the side, okay, when you see any object from the side, that we call that side view. Understood about that? Now, and third number is front view. Okay, so what is front view? When you see any object from the front, okay, then we call that front view. Okay, and to understand these three terms, here I will take two examples. Okay, so here if you see the picture of staircase, here if you see the picture of staircase, here you can see the first picture, front view of the staircase, right? And in the second picture you can see the side view of the staircase. Okay, understood about that? Okay, now let's see second number figure, cooker. Okay, here in first picture you can see here top view of the cooker, right? Okay, and in the second picture here you can see the side view of the cooker, right? Okay, understood about these two figures? So now let's start our new topic, and new topic is using a dotted line. Can you divide into two similar halves? Okay, we already learned about the definition of mirror halves. Okay, so what is mirror halves? So halves means two equal parts, right? Okay, so whenever we divide any figure into two equal parts, means left side and right side of the figure both are look same, and that figure we call that mirror halves. Okay, so you understood about the mirror halves. Okay, and using of this definition we have to start the solving these figures. Okay, so here we have to find these figures are similar halves or not. Okay, so now let's start. Here you can see the pictures of comb, envelope, number 8, scissors, pencil, crown, then cup, then button, frock, bell and teapot. Okay, here these pictures are given, and from this picture we have to draw one dotted line. We have to decide that these figures are mirror halves or not. Okay, so now let's start from the first number figure. Okay, and first number figure is comb, right? Okay, so now we have to draw here dotted line first of all. Okay, so here if I draw a vertical line, okay, now here if you observe that left side and right side, okay, left side and right side, both sides are equal or not? Observe that, yes, both sides are equal. Okay, so that type of figure we can call that mirror halves, or we can say that two similar halves. Okay, so here our answer is, we have to write yes. Okay, now let's see second number picture, and second number picture is envelope, right? So now let's start this figure divide using dotted line. Okay, now what we have to do, observe that picture. Okay, from left side and right side. Okay, so left side and right side, both sides are equal or not? Yes, both sides are equal. Okay, so this figure also we call that mirror half. So here our answer is yes. Okay, now third number 8. Okay, now here you have to observe that if I draw here horizontal line, if I draw here horizontal line, okay, then here you observe that upper side and downside part, both part are equal, yes or no? Yes. Okay, and if I draw a vertical line, okay, so here also observe that left side and right side, both sides are also equal. Okay, so here if I draw horizontal line or vertical line, okay, in using of that both line we can divide the 8 into two similar halves, right? Okay, so here our answer is yes or no, this figure is mirror halves. Yes, so here I will write yes. Okay, now let's see fourth number figure, scissor. Okay, now here first of all we have to divide using dotted line. Okay, so now here you can see the left side and right side, both sides are equal or not? Yes, both sides are equal. Okay, so here we can say that yes, right? Now next one is pencil. Okay, now let's we divide this pencil using dotted line. Okay, so here if you observe that both the side, if you observe that both sides are equal or similar halves. Okay, so here our answer is yes. Okay, now next one is crown. Okay, so here if I draw dotted line, okay, so now observe that the crown, both side, left side and right side, both are equal or not? Okay, so here yes, both sides are equal. Okay, so here our answer is yes. Okay, and you have also remember that we have to draw vertical line from the middle. Okay, from the middle of the picture, right? Okay, now let's see next number figure, cup. Okay, so here if I divide this cup using a dotted line, okay, now observe that figure, the left side and right side, both sides are equal? No, both sides are not equal, so we can say that this figure are not mirror halves. So here our answer is no, right? Okay, now next one is button. Okay, here if I draw a horizontal line first of all from the middle. Okay, now here if you observe that upper part and downside part, both are equal or both are similar halves. Okay, and here if I draw a vertical line from the middle. Okay, so here if you observe that left side and right side also are equal, so this figure we can divide using horizontal line or vertical line also. Okay, so this figure is mirror halves, yes or no? Yes, so here our answer is yes. Okay, now next one is frog. Okay, so here I divide this frog using a dotted line. Okay, so if you observe that left side and right side, both sides are equal? Yes, so here our answer is yes. Okay, now next one is bell. Okay, so here if I divide this bell using a dotted line. Okay, so this figure, now if you observe that left side and right side, both sides are equal, yes or no? Yes, so this figure is also mirror halves. Okay, and next one is teapot. Okay, so here if I divide teapot using a dotted line, okay, now let's observe it both sides, left side and right side, both sides are equal? No. Okay, so this figure is not mirror halves. Okay, so here our answer is no. Okay, so now let's see it. Now let's see more figures. Okay, now first number is aeroplane. Okay, now let's divide this figure using dotted line. Okay, so here if I draw a dotted line, okay, here if I draw a dotted line here, you can see a left side and right side, both sides are equal or not? Yes. So here we call that mirror halves. Okay, now let's see second number, tool. Okay, this tool used to repair any vehicles. Okay, so here if I divide this tool using a dotted line, okay, so upper side is wide and down side is broad. Okay, so this figure is called mirror halves? No. Okay, so here our answer is no, right? Now next one is number 2. Okay, if we divide this using dotted line, okay, so now let's see left side and right side, both are equal? No. Okay, so this is one also not mirror halves. Okay, now let's see fourth number, bag. Okay, if you divide this bag using a dotted line, okay, now if you observe that left side and right side, both sides are equal? Yes. Okay, so here this one is mirror halves. Okay, now let's see next figure, umbrella. Okay, now if we divide umbrella using a dotted line, okay, now here if you observe that both sides are equal? No. So here our answer is no. Now next one is iron. Okay, so if I divide this iron figure using a dotted line, now let's say both sides equal? No. So this one is also not mirror halves. Okay, and last one is a clock. Okay, now if I divide this clock using a dotted line, okay, now if you observe, if this shape of circle, right, but here if you see the both side a number, here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this side 7 8 9 10 11 12, both side numbers are also different. Okay, so this figure is not mirror halves. Okay, so here our answer is no. Okay, so understood about this figure? Now let's see it. So in this video we learn about the mirror halves, and using a dotted line how can we divide the following figures. Okay, and we check also that these figures are also mirror halves, yes or no. Okay, so I hope you understand this topic very well, right? So thank you.